Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily find device using the Mi Fitness app on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the app. Now here in the app, we want to open the system settings. So go to device. Now we need to go to system settings and here go to find device. As you guys can see, now we can tap below to basically make our device ring or vibrate. As you guys can see, now it's vibrating, so we can click stop. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.